Best gold decorative Christmas trees for indoor decorations. Illuminate your holiday season with the enchanting glow of our golden Christmas tree. Crafted from premium resin, each ornament is designed to last for years to come. Its vintage gold finish adds a touch of elegance and luxury to your festive decor. Perfect for tabletops, mantels, or as a unique gift, this golden Christmas tree is sure to bring joy and warmth to your home. Let the golden glow of Christmas fill your home. High-quality resin, gold Christmas tree figurines for indoor-outdoor use. Vintage gold color with luxurious winter vibe. Pine tree shape with 6-star layers and glossy gold finish. Versatile decor for tables, mantels, shelves. Thanks for watching. Use discount links from below video, and thanks for your support.